When I die. When I die, I want to see the heaven. I know that Lord is truly there. My parents are already there. When I die, I want to touch the clouds, so soft and white, like the feathers of sheep and doves. When I die, I want it to be peaceful. People who visit me be hopeful, that I may enter the heaven so beautiful. When I die, I want it to be remembered, and I hope who remains will not be bothered, because I'm pretty sure I'm guarded. When I die, I want it in any day, but I hope my life will end, not with accident, suicide, rape, nor with AIDS. When I die, I want them to play my favorite songs, like Heaven Knows, Somewhere Down the Road. Next in line will be the final song. When I die, I want them to wear white, symbolizing their sincerity and they're alright, giving me peace, happiness, and light. When I die, I'll pray to the Lord that everyone receives His blessings and all. Be not afraid, I'm near to the Lord.